Pippin discovered a bright, multicolored rubber ball nestled in the soft grass of the garden. With a twitch of his tail, he pounced, sending the ball rolling past daisies and dandelions. He chased it in tight circles around the rosebush, ears perked and whiskers quivering with excitement. After the 100th tumble and swat, he flopped onto the lawn, panting in kitten joy. A saucer of cream later, he curled into a sun-warm patch for a well-earned nap. Subscribe and like our channel for more adventures.